Struggling with kitchen clutter and endless cooking tasks? Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus, your ultimate culinary game changer. This incredible device isn't just a pressure cooker. It's 9 appliances in one, replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more, saving precious counter space. With 15 smart, customizable programs, achieving perfectly cooked meals, from savory stews to delicate cakes, has never been easier or more consistent. Plus, the durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and effortless cleanup every single time. What makes the Duo Plus stand out is its seamless integration of advanced features with intuitive design, truly simplifying complex recipes for every home cook. For anyone making a buying decision on a new kitchen essential, this offers incredible value and versatility, making it a smart upgrade. Ready to experience this kitchen revolution? You can find the best deals and learn more via our Amazon link in the description below. Imagine reclaiming your counter space and drastically cutting down on meal prep time without sacrificing flavor or quality. It truly empowers you to cook restaurant-quality dishes right at home, even if you're a beginner. For a smarter, faster, and more delicious cooking experience in 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have. We highly recommend it.